allows user to measure for the quality of several components present in grains, feed, and their byproducts, such as moisture, protein, fat, ash, and so on. The employed technology is near-infrared diffuse reflection spectroscopy. The light reflected by the sample is analyzed and compared to a database in order to determine with precision the quantity of components found. Every time the device switched on and before analysis, it will remind you to run performance testing, operated by an automatic adjustment system. Consists of two standard plates, sensor the shift of spectrum in two directions. The sample preparation system for granular and powder sample is particularly simple, which allows very fast and reliable analysis. Load the sample to the specific cup, smooth the surface, and analyze. The operation of the device is particularly simple. Choose the product to be analyzed from the database. Place the sample on the sample plate, first measure, and you can get the results in less than 10 seconds. A list of more than 70 calibrations is already available, and you can also develop your own calibrations with total autonomy. Choose the product with known chemistry value. Choose method PLS or ANN. Select pretreatment method. And adjust the main parameters including press, predicted value versus chemistry value, property residual, and so on according to certain rules.